Kindly quote the engine number and the chassis number for all kinds of communication with VST dealers, regional sales offices and VST engineers. Engine maintenance. Coolant capacity and level. Check the coolant water level every day and make sure it is never below the minimum level. If you need to add more coolant, use a mix of 1:3 ratio or 3 parts of distilled water and 1 part of company recommended coolant for better performance. Change coolant every 6 months or after the completion of a season. Engine oil level. Check the engine oil daily. To change the engine oil, follow these simple steps. Run the engine for minimum 3 to 5 minutes and stop it. Remove the drain plug of the engine oil pan, drain all the oil and refit the drain plug. Once the engine cools, fill recommended genuine engine oil up to the upper level mark on the dipstick. Air cleaner bowl. We are using the 3-stage oil bath type air cleaner in our tillers. Check oil level in the air cleaner daily. Fill the engine oil up to the level marked on the air cleaner oil bowl. Proper maintenance of air filter will improve the engine life, and it must be cleaned at the time of oil change or as and when required, depending on oil quality. During dry land operation, clean the air filter every day, and during wet land operation, clean the air filter once in 3 days. Engine start system. Before starting the engine, ensure accelerator is in full acceleration mode and check if all gears are in neutral position. To start the engine, use the starting handle fitted on the holder. Insert the starting handle into the starting shaft. Pull the decompression lever with the left hand. Rotate the starting handle clockwise 4 to 5 times. It will allow the lubricating oil to reach all moving parts. Once you're sure the momentum is enough to start the ignition, release decompression lever. Fuel system and air bleeding. Fuel filter must be cleaned every 50 hours and changed every 100 hours. Clean the fuel tank every 500 hours. Periodically remove water condensed on fuel filter cover or water separator. Open the fuel tap and remove the fuel pump nut. Check for continuous fuel flow. And as diesel seeps out, the air bleeding is removed. Then tighten the nut. fan pulley and fan belt tension. The fan belt size of the tiller is A38. Check the fan belt tension every day by pressing the middle of the belt with your finger as the load of 5 kg pressure. Ideally, it should move between 10 to 12 mm. To adjust the fan belt, first loosen the lever idle securing bolt. Then tension the pulley idle by loosening the nut and adjust by loosening or tightening as required. Set the tension and lock the nut and full tighten the idler pulley assembly.